All right. Let's quickly find a charging port for this phone. I don't even know the model, but it's a Samsung phone. It's one of the old ones. But then somebody try fixing the charging port, and I don't have this charging port myself. I don't even know what charging port it's using. You can see the way the phone came. So what can we do? Let's quickly clean the interface and prepare it for another charging port. When fixing a charging port when you don't have it, let's see how it goes. The interface is I don't know what the charging ports look like, but from what I'm seeing, I want to believe that a regular charging port should be able to fix this if it has the legs that are compatible. Why do I think so? Uh, a regular charging a regular charging port has 5 legs, so but this is having 7. So this arrow, I want to believe this is the positive terminal of the charging port, while these two are the negative terminal of the charging port. Let me check if these two are connected together. Okay, they are not connected together. They are not connected together. But then I still believe this is the positive terminal. These two are negative. So these two are connected. So if this is the positive, then this is the negative. This is a data minus, data plus, and this is a battery ID. So fixing the regular charging port should be able to fix it. This charging port is not available, but let's see if we can get one to work for it. I guess this should be able to work for it. Yes, this should work for it. So okay, let's cut these legs. Let's cut these two legs. Okay. Good. This is good enough. I put that tissue under it because I didn't want to remove this flex. Removing this flex will mean that I'll have to remove the screen, which is not wise. Okay, yeah, good. These two legs are actually ground, so if they join, there's no problem. But I still don't want them to join. All right. Let's quickly test the phone. Oh, yes, there's battery. Let's quickly test the phone. Though it may not charge because the wireless charging is not there. The wireless charging flex is not there. But then it will indicate that it wants to charge if it works. And the phone is fixed. So the charging port is not available, but then it doesn't mean the phone cannot be fixed. So we fix the phone, and the phone is ready to serve the customer again. Thank you for watching.